Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to register konek2card. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for konek2card. Download and install the app, then open it once the installation is complete. On the home screen, tap Register to begin creating your account. Next, enter your card bank account number, full name, mobile number, and email address carefully to ensure accuracy. After that, create a 4-digit PIN that you'll use every time you log in to keep your account secure. Once done, you'll receive a verification code or OTP via SMS. Enter that code in the app to verify your mobile number. Finally, review all your details and tap Submit to complete the registration. Once confirmed, log in using your registered number and PIN to start using konek2card. So that's basically how you can register konek2card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.